What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. Hey, before I get started, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I just asked you right now, before you do anything, before you go to the next video, before you watch the rest of this one, hit that little subscribe button right over there. It should be a little yellow button. You click it and you'll be subscribed to my channel. You click that little bell and then you get notifications every time I post awesome new content. All right, guys, let's get down to business. You guys are all here to watch 3 life hacks that I've came up with using, let's see here, WD-40. I know everyone likes to see life hacks, and I've put a couple WD-40s out in the past that done pretty well. I got a lot of great response for it, so I thought it's time to do another WD-40 life hack. So I came up with 3 ideas that actually work, and they work well. So if you guys have never seen this before and you guys like the video, don't forget, smash that like button. And if you got some ideas of your own, leave a comment down below and give me some other ideas that you might want to see me try to make a video on, because I know everyone likes WD-40 hacks. They're awesome. So the first hack I'm going to show you all today is I'm going to walk over here to my truck and show you something on the hood. It's a common problem that a lot of people have. If you go through a car wash and you're not happy, you still got poo, you might say, like this. You can see that big old pile right there. Over here, the car wash just doesn't get it off. Sometimes even if you just use warm soapy water and a rag and a sponge, it still doesn't get all the way off. So I came up with the idea, let me try some WD-40 on my hood. I don't think it's going to hurt anything. You guys may have some comments to leave down below. Hey, Dutch, don't be putting WD-40 on there. It's going to eat right through your hood. I get all kinds of crazy comments. People leave me on stuff, so there's no telling what kind of comments I'm going to get. But I'm going to show you guys clean this up, and it does it super quick and super fast. It's awesome. Okay, you can see that right there. Let's get that cleaned up. So all you gotta do is just gonna give it a little squirt right there like that. Just give it a few seconds. Come back, I got my trusty old sponge. That thing works awesome on a lot of things. And you're just gonna give it a good old little scrub down. And you can see the dirt piling up on there, the poo or whatever. So after rubbing it, I don't know, what's that been, about 15 seconds or so. You're just gonna come back over here and you're just gonna wipe it clean. Look at that. Look how clean that is. It's awesome. Works great every time. For the second hack, we're going to walk in the house. I got a wood stove in here. I'm getting so many people, you need to clean your wood stove. That window's dirty. And let's go ahead and look at it, and I'll show you guys just how dirty it is and just how good this WD-40 cleans it. All right, I'm here at the wood stove, and I got a lot of creosote buildup now. I don't always just burn straight seasoned wood. A lot of times it's hard to come across just seasoned wood if you're not prepared ahead of time. So what I do, if I get green wood, I'll split it. Like, I'll put 3 logs of seasoned to 1 log of green wood, and it's safe to burn that, but you'll get creosote buildup. And I'm actually getting ready to start a fire here in a little bit, and I need to clean this anyway, so I've been getting a lot of complaints about how dirty it is. I'm going to show you guys just how good this WD-40 will clean this glass. And like I said before, if you got any comments on it, leave them down below. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to squirt some here in the middle, and I'll just get a little place cleaned out for y'all, then later I'll come back and clean the whole thing. So you're just going to put a little bit on there. Let it sit just for a second. And you'll see just how good this works. Look at that. Woo! Look how good that is. Heck yeah. So y'all seen it? Works great. Clean the glass right up, no problem. I'm actually, like I said before, going to go start a fire in there, so we'll be able to see the fire again. I actually got some deer running over there. I don't know if you can see them or not. Yeah, look at there. 2 of them. Yeah, that's one of the perks of living out on a little piece of land out in the country. You get to see the wildlife and enjoy them. But for the third hack, the third WD-40 hack, what I'm going to show y'all is a little bit different. It has to do with a little bit of the farm life. I'm out here at the chicken coop. I'm going to show you all what you get to do with WD-40 with the chickens. Oh, we got 4 eggs. Let's see. Now the trick here, you got to see if there's any dirty ones. Let's see. Those are pretty dang clean. Well, hopefully I can do this hack for you guys. Okay, yeah, we got one. We got one dirty one. I'm gonna show you guys something with this. So if you come across this issue like I got, you got a dirty egg, you need to clean it before you use it. And yes, you could just use warm soapy water in the house, but this wouldn't be a WD-40 hack if I used warm soapy water. So we're gonna use WD-40 on the egg, and I'm gonna show you just how clean it gets it. Okay, just like the rest of it, she's gonna give it a little squirt. You could probably actually just put it on the rag itself or the sponge itself. You can see it cleaned it right up. It's awesome. Perfect. Okay, everybody, hope you enjoyed the video. That was my last hack of the day. I like to call them hacks. You can call them tips. You can call them whatever you want. If you agree with them, awesome, use them. If you don't agree with them, awesome, don't use them. I don't care. I wanted to make a fun video, kind of break up the routine I had of the house build and Jesse and the sheep and chickens and all that. I just wanted to break it up and put a fun video out for y'all. Like I said before, my WD-40 videos usually pretty good, so why not make one for y'all? And the practical, you could definitely use all 3 of these hacks or tips with the WD-40, no problem. I don't see any issues with it. If you guys see issues with it or problems, correct me down below. You guys always do. It's appreciated. Thank you very much. Hey, like I said at the beginning of the video, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe by clicking. There's a little yellow, where's it at? Little yellow button right down there. It says subscribe. Click it, and there's a bell you can click that you'll get notifications every time I post new content. Most of the time, if YouTube wants to put it out there. But yeah, a lot of times you'll get the notification bell. It'll send it to your phone, your laptop, whatever you watch it on. So, like always, if you did like the video, smash that like button for me if you would. And I just really appreciate all y'all and supporting my channel, supporting me, and then watching all the content I put out. Thank you very much. I'll catch you guys on the next video, and thanks for watching.